Hello everybody, I'm Christine Danchuk, and today I'm going to highlight on our front bumper options that are available to you for your 55, 56, and 57. We offer the original style reproduction bumpers. You will notice that there are two different types. There are the three-piece original styles, which consist of a center section and two end pieces for the 1955 and the 1956, and what we call a five-piece for the 1957, which is actually a three-piece bumper that also includes the two bumper bullet guards. Then you have the one-piece or California style bumpers for all 3 years, 55, 56, and 57. We also carry the custom or Smoothie bumpers, which have the brackets either attached or are designed to hide the bumper bolts for a more custom look. Thanks to our brand new Smoothies, gone are the days of patching, cutting, and welding an original bumper. We have Smoothies for 1955 and 1957 Chevys, and we will be offering the 1956 Smoothie in the next few months. Danchuk is particularly proud of the 1957 Smoothie, which we made a couple of years ago. It eliminates not only the front bumper guards, but the bullet guards as well. Since we eliminated the bullet guards, we had to make a custom grille to go with it, and together they really set off the front of your 57. But the change is so subtle, it makes people wonder exactly where it is. So there you have it. No matter what style of bumper you are wanting for your restoration, Danchuk has you covered. And we carry the bumper guards, complete bolt kits, and all the brackets and braces necessary for a complete installation. Danchuk, there's no comparison.